I think it's amazing how people can travel for free. So I thought I would ask one of our new friends, Corey, how she got to travel on Princess for an 11-day Alaskan cruise. Hey everyone, it's me, Tori, and I'm here with my new friend, Corey. Corey and Tori. We're here on the Crown Princess, and guess what? My friend just told me that she got this trip for free from being in the Players Club. What's that?
Players Club is when you sign up to get a card that you gamble with at your local casinos or any casino, and they kind of track what you play. And eventually they send out free stuff, whether it's a free gift, a free cruise, and I happen to land into the free cruise category.
Oh my god, so you actually don't have to be playing on the Princess cruise ship? You have to just play in any old casino?
It was Harrah's Casino in Southern California, and they sent a flyer in the mail, and it said to show up at a certain time and you would get a voucher for a free cruise. And I was very skeptical, but I showed up thinking I was going to have to watch some kind of a presentation. Maybe they were going to suck me into some timeshare, but they didn't. I showed up, they said, here's your coupon, and go pick your cruise.
I can't even believe it. And we're on an 11-day Alaskan cruise. So when you get a free cruise, what exactly is a cruise? Like, are you getting an interior room? Are you like down shoveling coal?
So when I compared my voucher to other people's vouchers, some people did have like an ocean view room or a suite, and I believe that depends on how much money you spend in the casinos.
Oh,
and I don't spend that much, so I got the interior room, but I was very excited because I never thought I'd get to Alaska.
Oh wow, that's amazing. And if it's an interior, that's based on a double occupancy then?
Yeah, so I could bring somebody with me, so it was a free cruise for two.
That's amazing. So have you had free trips before, or is this the first time?
So this is actually the second free cruise that I've had. We have several different casinos where I live, and every time I go to the casino, I always get a player's card because they usually give you free money to play with.
Right.
Well, in another casino, they also said to show up and get a free cruise voucher, so I did. And it was another free cruise for two, and I actually took my mother and my two children with me. So we got a room for four, and I had to pay for two, but the other two were free.
Wow, that's amazing.
My children got to go on their first cruise, and we went out of Long Beach down to Ensenada.
And is it always a Princess cruise, or can you choose other cruise lines?
At the voucher we had, you could choose between Princess and Carnival, and it can be up to a 11-day cruise.
That's amazing. So when you're on the ship, like for example now, are you expected to continuously pay into the slot machine over there? Like, do you have to continuously feed it money to show that you're still a player, or like, how does that work?
I don't believe so. I believe there's some type of algorithm that they have where they send out these free vouchers to certain people. I think it's just a gimmick to get you to come into the casino.
Right.
And the last time I picked up the voucher, I didn't even stay. I drove an hour down to the casino, got my coupon, turned around, and I left. So.
Wow, that's amazing. So I guess my next question is, realistically, how would somebody like me get a free cruise? Like, how does that work? Like, can I walk into the casino right over there and drop $5 and get a free cruise? Like, how does that work?
So my tips are, every casino you walk into, including a casino on a cruise ship, always go get a player's card. They always send you little incentives to try to get you to come back.
Right.
So even if you don't have a post office box, let's say you live on a cruise ship, they will send you things via email, and you can constantly check your email and see what they have to offer.
Okay, so let's pretend that I walk in right now. I got one of these offers. How much would I spend? Like, would it be $5, $100, $1,000, $10,000? Like, how really does it equate?
So for this cruise that I'm on, I would have to estimate maybe I had put about $400 into a machine. But when I had left that time, I think I had won an additional $400. So that was actually a very successful trip for me that day.
Right.
But there are other casinos where I'll just put in $40 or $50 and maybe go to that casino once or twice a year.
Wow.
Really not much.
Well, I don't know if you've ever seen me in a casino, and this is why I don't gamble, but I have a limit of anywhere from $5, maximum $20, and it just gets swallowed up by that machine like within literally 5 minutes. And I don't have a chance to catch up or anything. Like, I guess it's not for everybody, I guess. Or do I have to play slots, or can I play other games? Can I play the poker? Like, does that count too?
Yep, you can play anything. They will always ask for your player's card before you sit down, and my suggestion is just always have one to give them. You never know what they're going to give you.
Okay, so that's the big tip, everybody. Get a player's club card.
You got it.
Well, thank you so much, Corey. That was super informative, and I guess maybe I'll just try putting in $5 and see what happens after I get my player's card.
And when you do get it, bring your best friend with you on your cruise.
Now, if you're interested in the loyalty program for Carnival Corporation's cruise lines, which includes Princess Cruises, then the specific program that they have is called the Ocean Players Club. So how does it work? When you step into the casino on board, you can sign up for the Ocean Players Club right there. It's super easy and it is free. You'll get a club card that you use every time that you play the slot machines, or you can actually play table games if you prefer. So as you play, you earn points, and the more you play, the more points that you rack up. So these points are your ticket to some fantastic rewards, and it really depends on how much you play, which can earn anything from free drinks or onboard credits to stateroom upgrades, and like I said before, even complimentary cruises. Yes, so you could be like Corey or any number of our cruise friends who earn free cruises around the world. So next time you're on a Princess Cruise, don't miss out on signing up for the Ocean Players Club. If you like gambling, it could be a good way to add a little extra excitement to your trip, and it could earn you some awesome rewards while you're at it. So that's the Ocean Players Club in a nutshell, a potentially fun, rewarding way to make your cruise time on a cruise even more enjoyable. Thank you very much for watching.